In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Xero. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to ensure you can smoothly manage multi-currency transactions in your Xero account. First, we'll start by logging in. Head over to the Xero login page and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. If you don't have a Xero account yet, you'll need to sign up first. Once you're in, you should see your main dashboard displaying your financial overview. Next, check the plan you're subscribed to. Multi-currency functionality is only available with the Xero Business Edition, established plan or higher. If you find yourself on a lower plan, you'll need to upgrade to access the multi-currency features. This step is crucial, as without the right plan, you won't be able to proceed with adding new currencies. Now, it's time to set your organization's base currency. Click on your organization name located at the top left of the screen. From the drop-down, navigate to Settings, then to Financial Settings. Here, you'll notice the base currency that was initially set when your organization was created. It's important to note that this base currency cannot be changed once established. If you find that you need a different base currency, you'll have to create a new Xero organization to accommodate this change. If you're eligible for multi-currency, the next step is to enable it. Go to Accounting, then Advanced, and select Currencies. You will then click on Add Currency, and a list of available currencies will appear. Choose the currency you wish to add, whether it be USD, EUR, GBP, or any other relevant option. Xero conveniently pulls live exchange rates automatically, so you don't have to worry about checking those manually. With the new currency in place, you can apply it to contacts or accounts. When creating or editing a contact, whether they are a customer or supplier, you can assign their default currency. This currency setting will carry through into invoices, bills, quotes, or bank accounts, allowing you to seamlessly manage financial transactions in different currencies. Finally, let's create transactions in the new currency. As you raise an invoice, bill, or expense, you'll select the required currency from the drop-down menu. Xero takes care of the rest, applying the appropriate exchange rates for conversions, and even tracking any gains or losses that might occur due to currency fluctuations. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage currencies within Xero, unlocking a whole new level of flexibility for your financial operations. Whether you're dealing with international customers or suppliers, you can handle multiple currencies with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.